In this video, I'll show you how to extract an image with a transparent background inside DaVinci Resolve Studio. Please note that this method only available in the Studio version. Let's get started. In the Edit page, right-click on your clip in the timeline and select Change Clip Duration. Set the duration to once, then click Change. This keeps the exported image short and easy to manage. Next, switch to the Fusion page. Hold Shift and Space to bring up the Select Tool window. Then search for Magic Mask and add it to your node tree. Connect it directly to your Media In node. Use the Brush tool to draw a line across the subject you want to isolate. DaVinci Resolve will automatically generate a mask around it. If needed, refine the mask by switching to the Mask tab and adjusting the Refine controls. Once you're satisfied with the result, you're ready to export. Go to the Deliver page. Under the Format dropdown, select Individual Clips. Then choose PNG as the export type. Make sure to check the box that says Export Alpha. This ensures your background remains transparent. Finally, click Add to Render Queue, then select Render All. You'll now have a clean PNG image with a transparent background, ready to use in any project.